What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video here. Just doing a quick little update for the channel, man. This was just something due to these uncertain times and all the craziness in the world. Something that I need, all of us need. But me being a base head, I decided to go ahead and get this product. And since I got it in, I decided to just go ahead and do a video. Like, I'm figuring why the hell not. So you'll see in the title of this video, DC Audio Apparel. I had the DC Audio face mask back over the summertime. Left one in one of my trucks, and it was on some type of deal where I had to take the truck in and get it serviced, and somebody else grabbed the truck, and next thing I know, the mask was gone. But I guess at the same time, if they had used it or whatever went on, I wouldn't have wanted it back anyway. So try to do one via Sonic Electronics, got a face mask through them, the MVX. Wasn't feeling that one. Got a whole bunch of face masks from Big Crit. Y'all know that's one of my favorite artists. But since I'm a bass head, I'll go ahead and open this joker up with the little razor here, make sure I don't cut nothing. Well, cut nothing that I don't want cut. But let's reach in here and get that right there. Now, coincidence, I forgot that I ordered the beanie as well. But like I said, just on some bass head type stuff, man, I got the DC Audio beanie. And how convenient me doing this video right now. I mean, the news ain't said it, but I'm gonna personally say we in a polar vortex, man. We are not okay, man. I'm in Omaha, Nebraska, man. We are not okay, man. It is ridiculously cold. Last night I spent like, I want to say like 15, 18 minutes, something like that, trying to warm the car up. And and the bad part about it, I was in an environment where I was not having access to heat. So by the time I got in the car, man, my toes were like, both of my feet were just completely froze, man. And I got in that car and it was just all bad. So luckily I do have this here, so this won't be something that I wear to work, because I get pretty dirty, man. But definitely, weekends, stuff like that, bass events. Hopefully, what is this, February? Hopefully next month, March, April, it'll start to warm up. We still have those cold days, so I'll definitely make sure to keep this clean so I can wear it. But another piece that I got in here is this joker here. Hopefully y'all can see that, the DC Audio face mask. Got that as well. So like I said, man, I'm just using this, taking this as an opportunity to go ahead and shoot a video, figuring why not, since I had a little bit of time. And it's just stupid cold due to COVID and the cold around here, man. Gotta have that face mask. We got a mask mandate here in Omaha. I'm pretty sure y'all got one wherever y'all may be watching, man. It's a worldwide pandemic, man. So it is what it is, man. So like I said, just doing a cheap video. Might as well go ahead and do some on the channel since I got this from DC Audio. This is a car audio channel. And with that being said, I'll say this. I know I usually end my videos saying, hey man, any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up, man. I'll try to get back to you. If I have the time, I'll try to get back to you. Some of this stuff I'm getting back to people is like 2-3 months old, so I do apologize about that. However, when I say any questions, comments, concerns, go ahead and hit me up, man. I'll get back to you. I do mean that, but it doesn't mean that I'm your personal assistant, man. Some of y'all on this channel, man, y'all be coming in with the entitlement type stuff, like, man, hey man, I asked you a question, what's up? And it's like, dude, if I got the time, like I said, I'll get back to you. If I don't have the time, then I'm sorry. I may, if I miss your question. There was a guy on the Instagram that had hit me up, man, 2 years ago, and I responded to him, and he hit me back, but he was real cool about it. He was like, yeah, man, he was like, man, I sent you that a while ago. I'm like, yeah, dude, I totally missed it. There ain't no other way around it. So, if I miss your question, I apologize in advance. It's not on purpose, but as well as if you do ask a question and I get back to you, and next thing you know, we got a little back and forth going, which is completely fine. Sometimes you have a question, I answer it, it might lead to another question. You like, hey man, I'm looking at these speakers, what do you think? And I give you a recommendation. It's like, okay, well, what amp should I go on? What ohm low, stuff like that. So that's perfectly fine, man. no harm, no foul there. But some of y'all be coming back with, hey man, I asked you a question, where's my response at? It's like, dude, that right there, I'm gonna keep 100, man. I'll give you a mulligan. It's like, okay, man, you got the one-time harm, no, whatever. I'll shoulder shrug that. But if you come back again with that same energy, man, I'm gonna look at the comment and I'm gonna just sit around, honestly, and let you self-destruct, man. I might get to blocking you, maybe so, maybe not. I don't know. It just depends on how I feel. But 9 times out of 10, those individuals like that, man, I just lay back and let them self-destruct, and they'll come back to the channel. They'll go to other videos, and next thing I know, I'll get a flag about something, and it's just a bunch of foolishness, man. So, like I said, so I'll hang back and let you self-destruct, man. So, that's on y'all individuals, man. It's like, I noticed the internet, man. People come from all walks of life, and that's why I try to be cool about it. Like, hey, it's on the internet. It's text, so I don't know exactly how your energy is coming unless you type it out and make sure that I know. Like, you telling me to go screw myself. So if you come with that energy, man, hey, like I said, I'll lay back and let you self-destruct, man. It's comedy to me, man. It's entertaining. So, and I need that, especially right now, because I can't do nothing. Got this doggone pandemic going on, man. So. Y'all know how my channel go, man. Always got to go on my little rant, man. But y'all know my new deal, man. If your mirrors ain't shaking, damn it, you got taken, man. So same old deal, man. It's your boy Yo Dub, man. I'm out of here, and I'll lay it out again. Any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up, man. I'll try to get back to y'all. Stay positive, man. Y'all stay positive, stay safe, man. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out of here.